This is something that I thought I would never do inside of myEcon. This is something that really for the past many, many years I have never ever done, and that is giving you your very own sales funnel, whether you are on my team or not. Yes, my friends, it's actually happening, and I'm going to walk you through it today. So, if you're new to the channel, if you're checking me out or checking out myEcon, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Also, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content about anything to do with making money online or myEcon or anything in between. So, normally for years, what I've always done is we've had a system, in and around our specific team, and we are the funnel team, and it's just that's what our team name is inside of myEcon, so TFT, the funnel team, right? And everything we do, I'm just kind of drawing for you guys, kind of like a little funnel here. Everything I call it is kind of inside of the mousetrap to get any of the tools, services, resources, training, funnels, all that good sort of stuff, our app, all of that, you have to be on our team. Okay, you have to be on the funnel team. And, I have people all the time that reach out to me on my content. They'll message me and say, "Hey, I'm in myEcon, but I'm on, so and so's team. I'm in another leg or whatever. Can I use your app? Can I use your sales funnels? Can I, use, what you guys are using because clearly it works." So we have a lot of people that are inside myEcon that reach out to us that want to use what we have because again, it works. It creates duplication and it helps people know and understand everything they need to do to build their business. So today, I'm going to open that up for you guys. Now, you are not going to get access to, our live training and our app and all the other things that are inside of our existing, machine, if you will. But what I am going to do today, and I've talked about this in several recent myEcon videos, is that we just created a brand new 30-day campaign all targeted around the income shifting product with myEcon. So we put together an entire, literally 30 days, everything you need to do from messaging to posting on Facebook to short form videos to long form videos, YouTube videos like this one here, and just everything, all content calendar, everything that people need to do for 30 days. Inside of that is a sales funnel that we put together that is all directly tied to income shifting. Obviously, a sales video, a sales process that focuses heavily on the income shifting. So obviously, it doesn't get into credit repair, doesn't get into the travel, doesn't get into any of the other stuff. It just focuses on income shifting, and it's all tied to how to increase your cash flow immediately without even recruiting. So it follows a very basic marketing formula of how to get X without doing Y. So I'll even go over here and I'll show you. This is the actual sales page right here that has the video on it. Okay. And you can see the opt-in right here where it says, hey, fill out the form, get more information, etc. So what I'm doing right now is, and you can see it in the URL right here. I'll actually put this link in the description down below. And if you are in myEcon, now let me just, before I get to this point, let me just talk about this. The reason why, for the first time in years, we're opening up our funnels to be used outside of our team. This is all for the benefit of myEcon. We want to help everybody. We want to help grow myEcon. We want to help take myEcon to the next level. So this kind of goes beyond me, beyond our team. This is, we're doing this globally, trying to go as big as possible for myEcon to help as many members of myEcon as possible. Like I said, in years past, it's always been about our team, exclusive proprietary things for our team. Well, everyone's going to be able to use this funnel right here. So let me now kind of explain some of the back end details that you need to know and understand. Okay. So first off, link in the description down below if you want to use this. Let's say you're watching this video, and I know there's a lot of you guys that are in my econ that watch my videos that are not necessarily on my team. So link in the description down below if you want to see it. And what you're going to see, and I know it might be a little tough for you to see, but up here in the URL, you're going to see right here where it says AID equals. Your AID is basically your affiliate ID, your username. So after the equals, that's where you would put your myEcon username. It's as simple as that. So for me, I would put my username there, and then I would share that out, and you'll have your link good to go. Okay. So as an example, if I put mine in there, okay, if I was actually writing here, okay. So if I put mine in there, boom, and then I just hit enter, now it's coded over to me. Okay. Simple as that. So when somebody opts in, they're going to be tied to me. So you could literally share this link right here, and that would be tied to me. Or let's say, I'll use somebody else. I'll use Catherine, who's on my team. Okay. I know her username. Okay. So boom. Now you can see now it's saved, and all the leads and the sales will be tied back to Catherine. Same thing. If I switch this out to, I could switch this out to Bill. Okay. Boom. It's just like that. And all you do is just change the user ID after the equal sign. And literally anybody in myEcon could use this. So in other words, once you put that username, your myEcon username after the equal sign, now it's tied to that user. So which also means when someone opts in, okay, the lead is tied back directly to that person. Now, what's really cool is what we're going to do is this whole process will be managed for you. No, you're not going to see these leads in your myEcon members area because our system is outside of myEcon. It's our own exclusive proprietary system. But what we will be doing for you is we will be emailing your leads for you every single day. So once that person opts in, and they're using this specific funnel with you and your username, okay, that lead is tied to you for life. And we're going to email that person every single day until they buy or die, or unsubscribe, whatever happens first. We're going to email those leads for you every single day because that's what we do on our team. And that's part of, what I'm offering you here today is, we're going to email the leads for you every single day. And what I may even open up there is, if you share this and you have good success with this and you want access to your leads, I can always email you a CSV file of your leads. So that is something that I will do for you guys as well. So wanted to put this out there. There's a lot of excitement around this page. The sales video is short and sweet. It's 6 minutes long. It has testimonials in it. So far, this is converting very, very well. We just rolled this out literally 2 days ago, and the feedback on it has been very, very, very solid so far. So I know this is going to help a lot of people inside of myEcon, and it's really great. Focuses on the product, focuses on the compensation plan, and obviously it's going to focus on duplication for you and everybody in myEcon. So right at the top of this video is my phone number. If you have any questions, just simply send me a text message if you want, or drop a comment on this video. Let me know. But get out there, start sharing it. Give me some feedback. Let me know your thoughts on this. Put a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But like I said, this is something that we've never done this sort of thing outside of the team before. And this is something that we just said, hey, we want to make this available for everybody in myEcon to help grow myEcon as a whole. So the page is simple and easy to use. Grab the link below, slap your myEcon username after the equal sign, and boom, your link is good to go, ready to use, ready to share. And it's as simple as that, my friend. So hope you got some value here. Hopefully you will get out there and start sharing this. And again, spread the word of myEcon. We have the best compensation plan that I know of on paper, the highest residual per person that I've seen out there in the marketplace today. And these are real, credible, tangible products that people can use that actually help people increase their cash flow. Hence the entire point of this marketing campaign all around income shifting. And it's how to get X without doing Y, how to increase your take home pay without recruiting a single person, how to increase your cash flow without having to sell, how to make more money without being a product expert on day one. You can increase your cash flow on your very first day with myEcon. And we have, you know, decades of proof that this works. This isn't one of those hype trains where it's just all about the hypothetical and what could happen if you maximize the compensation plan. This is real, credible, actual, real life results that people are getting by being part of myEcon. So there you go. Links in the description down below if you're looking to get started with myEcon, want to get on our team, or you're already in myEcon and when you want to get out there and you want to share this page. Like I said, if you have any questions, drop them down below. Otherwise, I hope you do get started. I hope we do get to work with you because this really is an incredible program. We have an incredible team. And if you want to see how our team, the funnel team, gives you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started with us, I'll leave an end card right here at the end of this video. You can simply tap on that and watch the next video, see my full overview and tutorial, everything that we give you. Lastly, if you made it to this point in the video, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. You'll get notified first anytime I put out new content like this or anything to do with making money online or making money with myEcon. Appreciate you, my friend. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.